Hi nerds, hi yogis, I'm Carlene Rose and welcome to a Nerdi Yogi YouTube channel. I am very excited that you are here to practice yoga with me. I love yoga and I cannot wait for us to go onto the mat and do some of our vinyasa flows. But first wanted to have a real quick chat with you about what you can expect from this YouTube channel so that you know what you are getting into. I think you're going to have a lot of fun. This is really it's designed to help you build your at-home yoga practice. So whether you are a beginner, never practiced yoga before, you have absolutely no idea what you're doing, or you're a very experienced yogi, you've been going to studio classes for years and years and years, and you just want to start your at-home practice to complement it, or anywhere in between on that spectrum, this is going to be a great practice for you because it is designed to be done at home and help you build your poses in an anatomically safe way so you don't have to worry about, am I doing this right, or getting injured or anything like that when you're practicing at home. Now, obviously, you know tons of the benefits of yoga. I'm sure you've heard probably all of them. There's so many, but you've got strength, balance, flexibility, some of the less obvious ones like improved energy, improved sleep. You're going to balance your metabolism and your digestive health. It helps with chronic pain, helps with injury prevention as well as injury recovery. So tons of physical benefits. Weight management is a huge one. So like I said, tons of physical benefits, but also you have mental benefits as well. It's great for stress management, helps with mental clarity, mental calmness, really improves your body awareness and creating that harmony between your mind and body, relieves chronic stress patterns. So sometimes, you know, a lot of our daily stressors create these patterns in our mind that cause us to either feel pain or have stress reactions or something like that, and yoga can help us rewire some of those patterns and connections, which is awesome. Plus, you know, it's fun. It's a lot of fun to get on the mat and challenge yourself and try things maybe you haven't tried before, things you didn't know you could do. You learn about yourself, you build all this confidence, so it's tons of fun, again, with tons of benefits. And the style that I teach that you will be learning here is Core Strength Vinyasa Yoga. Core Strength Vinyasa Yoga is awesome. I have been practicing it now for over a decade, and I absolutely love it because it is an anatomical and physics-based practice. Like I said, it's gonna help you build your poses from the ground up. So you start your pose on the mat, you build it up into an anatomically sound structure, and like I said, that way you're safe, but also it's gonna optimize your pose and the transition between poses to optimize your results and get you more results in less time. And who doesn't want that, right? So it's a great practice. Vinyasa is a very cool flow of yoga. So there's transitions, you're moving from one pose into the other. So it's got this dance-like element and you're uniting the breath with the movement, which creates that moving meditation piece. Plus the Core Strength Vinyasa Yoga style also activates your deep core line. Now, your body is full of all of these myofascial meridians. The deep core line is the one that goes from bottom of your foot all the way up in your leg, all the way, so all the muscles along the spine. So I can't point to it obviously, but along the deep low belly muscles that are actually attached to the spine, all the way up out the tip of your tongue. So it connects your entire body. It is your anatomical connection through the fascia and connective tissues, again, along the spine, so it's our support structure. So that's one of the other reasons I absolutely love this style, is you're really strengthening and tuning into your support structure, your core, you know, your true core, and building that to be strong. So I look forward to having you on the mat with me to practice. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you will get updates every time there's a new video out. Share this with anyone you think that might want to practice with you or start their own at-home practice. That way you guys can go on this journey together. Also, one last very cool thing, if you get on the League of Nerdi Yogis email list, you will get a Nerdi Yogi's Guide to the Galaxy, aka how to start your at-home yoga practice in 3 easy steps. So it is a great way to start your at-home practice with these very fundamental steps for you. So I look forward to having you read that, getting your feedback on it, and again, having you join me on the mat. Thanks so much. Bye.